Okay, this is the example that I'm going to use from the practice problems to show you how to do descriptive statistics with minitab. So they have the height of 25 trees is shown from lowest to highest, and then we're going to answer these questions here, okay? So the first thing you want to do is go put the 25 trees into minitab, and I've kind of done that to save some time. So what you can do is put tree height in feet there if you want, and then put them in 21, enter, 27, enter. It's real quick to just put them in and just enter. Okay, so once you have that, then we want to let minitab figure out all the descriptive statistics for us. So you're going to go to Stat, Basic Stats, and tell minitab to display all the descriptive statistics for us. The variables are in C1 or tree height, so if you just make sure the cursor's there and you click on that, in case we had different columns full of stuff, in this case we only have one to choose, so just double click on that and pop it in. You can also highlight it and then hit select and it'll put it in there. And that's pretty much all you need to do. Now if you will click on statistics, we're going to, we don't need the standard error of the mean, but I can't remember if we need variance or not. It might ask for it. You can't hurt to click all these if you want, but we are going to need those. I'm not sure if we need the sum. Probably need the range. I'm not sure, but if you want to, you can just click all of the first three sets. 1, 2, 3. This set of 5, this set of 5, and that set of 5. You really don't need that. You can do in total, maybe, and that would give us the total is 25, and we already know that. But so just I would click all of these in end total, and that's all you need to do. And click OK, and click OK again. And then what's going to happen here, if you might need to drop this bar down, is this gives us all the answers they're looking for over here. Pretty much all of them. Some of them we might have to do separately. So here's the total count, 25 tree heights. Here's the mean. Here's the standard deviation we're going to need. Here's the variance if they ask for it. Here's the sum of all 25 of the heights of the trees. Here's the minimum height is 21. This is quartile 1, median. Quartile 2, maximum. This is the range from the smallest tree to the highest tree. This is the interquartile range. The interquartile range is everything from quartile 1 to quartile 3. So if you were to subtract these two numbers, you'll get 16.5. This is the mode. That means that 31 and 38 feet occur the most times in this data, and you can see where the 31 is, and there is the 31 and 38, and here's the 38s, and the N for mode means there are 3 of each, so there are 3 31-foot trees and 3 38-foot trees. Okay, so now that we know that, let's come over here and see if we can answer all these questions. I'm going to come back to the outliers in a minute. What is the range? Okay, so we'll go look for range is 38. So come over here and look for the number 38. It's number 11, so I'm choosing number 11. Whoop, sorry, not on that one. We'll come back to that one, number 11. Okay, what is the first quartile? It's 32. So 32 is number 9, so I'm choosing the number 9. What is the sample variance? So we're looking for the variance, just the plain variance, 97.56. 97.56, I'm choosing the number 27. So you really get all of this from minitab. The videos explain each one of these features, but you need to be able to get them from minitab. One is the third quartile. That's Q3 is 48.5. 48.5 is number 16. I know that's a little confusing the way these are set up. What is the interquartile range? The IQR, the interquartile range is 16.5. So 16.5 is number 4. So I'm choosing a 4. What is the median? The average height is the median average height, or the median, is 38. So choose the 11. The median is the middle number, the very middle number if we add all those up. How many trees are in the sample? We already knew there were 25, and that is number 7, so I'm choosing a 7 here. What is the sample standard deviation? So come over here and look for the standard deviation is 9.88. So that is the number 2. What is the mean height? What is the mean? And that's just the regular mean, 40.16. So number 13. What is the shortest height? That's the minimum. Whoops, shoot. I think I lost it. So the minimum height, I could actually, oh, there it still is. The minimum height's right here. It's 21 because remember it said they were in order, but it also has the minimum here of 21. So that's number 5. And what is the tallest? The tallest is going to be your maximum, which is 59. So that's number 21. Okay, so I will come right back and show you how to, in another video, I'll show you how to compute the outliers. Okay, so we need to say, does this data contain any outliers? And I'll do a quick video on that in just a minute.